What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another dive into. So I'm gonna try to show you the credit process on my latest track, Seismic Alert. Well, as always, first and first. But now, it all begins with this baseline pattern. Let me just open it. What the heck? You see? Again, it's running on a D scale. This time, it's grinding, or was grinding, sorry, on D sharp minor. So this is the first time I'm gonna show you guys the process or the main thing of the track on the drop, because this was the way how I wrote it. So yeah, drums as always. Pretty solid drum loop. This other loop, but it's saying a drum loop is a bass, I guess. Yeah, because you can hear it in the background. Hold up, from here. I made that just to fill up some random spaces to make it like more fill it out in this sub bass, I guess. Oh, it's a sustain. It's a sustain bass. And yeah, it sounds like that. Also, the sidechain, because yeah, we're making bass music, so we need to make a space between our drums and our bass to make it sound like cooler. Then for my inversion, it's just the same pattern, but on a different pitch, I guess. Yeah, it's on a different pitch level, because we're working on more higher pitch notes. And this cool sample. Then once I get this drop section, I started to write this intro with ECRAZE sample packs. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Then I just added this drill loop and also this bass line. To make it more tumbado, you know. Then for my build up was just as easy as you see from here. Yeah, that's the first section of the track, which I decided to make an hybrid trap kind of drop. That's just it. Then for my second drop, or why not part, it's just the same structure, but as you can hear, I don't reincorporate the brass stops, because I just wanted to make like different or something different from the rest of the track. And I don't make it too long. I just go straight to the bottle part, because why not? And since we're using a whole different pre-drop vocal, where is the first one? Here. You see this vocal right here? It's so likely to be used on the hybrid trap drops, and I'm pretty sure this one here is meant to be used on the next part of the drop. And as you can hear, I'm using a different pattern. Which sounds hella different, because I quit some synths or serum presets from this pattern and added this loop, and together it sounds like this. On this part, you can hear that I changed the main synths, but kept the same structure. And that's because I wanted to give continuity to this part from here, but with different sounds to make the track more like dynamic for all ears. And that's it. And then you can see here or hear when every time you listen to the track, we're getting back to the hybrid trap part, but with the synths from this dubstep part, you know. And that was pretty much it. The brass stops get back. My drill love get back, and again, sorry, the 808 or bass line get back for my outro. And that was pretty much it. So thanks for listening the tune or streaming the tune, or stay tuned to this tutorial. If you have listened yet the whole track, go listen to it, or just stay to the last part of this tutorial, because I'm gonna be playing in 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck it. Go stream the track on Spotify. Go listen so I can form my red, and also eat a little of bread. Yo, I want to see. I don't know. I forgot the bars I was meant to sing here. Whatever. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening and staying on the project. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.